On May 8, 1902, Mount Pelee unleashed a silent, deadly wave that erased St. Pierre in minutes. Weeks earlier, tremors rattled the island, ash fell like snow, yet officials dismissed the threat as harmless. Mayor Leon L. refused evacuation, trusting the volcano's silence, while French engineers urged precaution without authority. At 8:02 a.m., a 20-kilometer ash column erupted, followed by a 1.5-kilometer pyroclastic flow traveling 100 meters per second. Prisoner Auguste, locked in a stone cell, emerged unscathed, later describing searing heat and darkness swallowing everything. Within minutes, St. Pierre vanished under ash. 30,000 residents perished, leaving a ghost town of charred ruins. The disaster prompted the French government to relocate survivors to Fort-de-France and launch the first systematic volcanic monitoring. Mount Pelee's fury reshaped volcanology, teaching us vigilance. Subscribe to Stunning Revelations for more untold catastrophes.